Hi everyone, this is Bharti. I'm super excited to announce a 14-day free prenatal yoga challenge for all the moms who are in their second and third trimester of pregnancy. This challenge called the Get Set Baby is going to be a perfect gentle start to your prenatal yoga journey to help build strength, stamina and flexibility. I'll be posting prenatal yoga workout videos 3 times a week during the course of this challenge starting this Monday. As part of this challenge, you'll also get to be part of a private community for moms to be, where you'll get to interact with other expecting moms who are going through the same journey as you. I'll also be sharing additional free resources during the course of the challenge. So if you're an expecting mom in your second or third trimester, do sign up for this free challenge and somebody from my team will contact you to get you set up for this. The link to the sign up form is in the description below. So see you on the mat soon, mamas.